Imagine a world where your online communication is completely secure, unbreachable. Can quantum teleportation make this a reality? In our ever-connected digital age, the concept of internet security has never been more pivotal. From online banking to private emails, we rely on the internet to safeguard our most intimate details. But as technology advances, so too do the threats that seek to compromise our security. Enter quantum teleportation, an emerging technology that promises to revolutionize our understanding of secure communication. Researchers have recently discovered that quantum teleportation can coexist with classical communication signals within the same optical fiber. This breakthrough challenges the long-held belief that these two forms of communication are mutually exclusive, and it opens up exciting new possibilities for leveraging our existing infrastructure to build an unhackable quantum network. So what exactly is quantum teleportation, and how can it coexist with classical communication signals? Quantum teleportation might sound like a concept straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it's a real scientific theory. Let's dive into the fascinating world of quantum mechanics to understand what this term really means. Imagine you're throwing a pair of dice. In our everyday world, the outcome is uncertain until the dice land. But in the quantum realm, these dice can land on all numbers simultaneously. This is known as a superposition. It's only when we observe the dice that they choose a specific outcome. Now, let's say you have two dice that are entangled, another quantum phenomenon. No matter how far apart these dice are, the moment one lands on a specific number, the other one instantaneously knows what number its pair landed on. This is the essence of quantum teleportation. It's not about physically transporting matter from one place to another, but rather about transferring information instantaneously. Now, why does this matter? Well, because of an experiment conducted by researchers led by Prem Kumar at Northwestern University. They demonstrated that quantum teleportation can coexist with classical communication signals in the same optical fiber. This was a breakthrough because it challenged the conventional belief that quantum and classical communication couldn't share the same medium. The researchers used a beam splitter to split a photon into two. These two entangled photons were then sent through busy internet cables. Despite the noise and interference from other data, the quantum information was still accurately teleported. This experiment showed that existing infrastructure could potentially be used to establish a secure quantum network. So now that we understand what quantum teleportation is and how it can coexist with classical signals, let's explore what this means for the future of internet security. Quantum teleportation can potentially pave the way for a secure quantum internet using existing infrastructure. Now, let's delve into how quantum teleportation could revolutionize internet security. Picture this. You're sending a message over the internet. Traditionally, this message is vulnerable, susceptible to interception and decoding by malicious third parties. But what if there was a way to send this message that was fundamentally unhackable? Enter the world of quantum teleportation. This is not about beaming physical objects from one place to another. Instead, it's about transferring quantum information between two particles, regardless of the distance between them. This phenomenon, known as quantum entanglement, is what makes quantum teleportation possible. An exciting development in this field comes from an experiment led by Prem Kumar at Northwestern University. The team demonstrated that quantum teleportation could coexist with classical communication signals in the same optical fiber. This is a significant breakthrough because it challenges the conventional belief that quantum and classical communication cannot share the same medium. Think about the implications of this. It means that we could potentially leverage current cables to establish an unhackable quantum network. No need for expensive, extensive infrastructure overhauls. Instead, we could be looking at a future where our existing internet cables become conduits for a secure quantum internet. This could revolutionize internet security. With quantum teleportation, information isn't just encoded and sent from one place to another. It's essentially recreated in a new location, with no viable way for hackers to intercept or manipulate the data mid-transit. This could be the key to a new era of internet security, where data breaches and cyber attacks are things of the past. But it's important to note that this is still a developing field. There's a lot we don't know and many technical hurdles to overcome. Yet, the potential is tantalizing, and the promise of a secure quantum internet is a compelling vision of the future. The future of internet security might just be quantum, and we are on the brink of a new era of online communication.